World-leading manufacturer of low-friction, low-wear bearing materials Vesconite Bearings has branched out to supply wear-resistant, floor-friendly caster wheels for trolleys and pallet jacks in the abattoir and other food processing industries. Vesconite trolley wheels provide a maintenance-free product that offers a longer wear life than traditional nylon wheels and can handle high load capacities. Vesconite sales executive for trolley and caster wheels Monica De Pontas tells us more.
Vesconite Hilube wheels has got the Vesconite Polycap and the Vesconite Hilube insert. So the Vesconite Hilube insert replaces bearings, which is maintenance free for the abattoirs. We also custom for customer specifications or to customer specifications, and our wheels are corrosion free so it does not rust or seize.
Vesconite trolley wheels are cold and heat resistant, making them suitable for cold and hot environments, such as fridges or smoker rooms. Vesconite Hilube may be used continuously at very cold temperatures down to less than -40 degrees Celsius and up to 100 degrees Celsius in dry applications.
I've got customers that has been using our trolley wheels in their fridges for about -30 degrees. The normal wheels in the fridges, after they've been standing for a few hours, after they've taken out, it cracks, where they do not have that problem with the Vesconite wheels. And we also have customers that uses our wheels in their smoker rooms. So that also goes about to 80 degrees Celsius, and they do not have any problems with our wheels. So far since 2020, I sold about more than 500 wheels to abattoirs.
Vesconite bearings are advanced engineering materials with a unique combination of properties specially formulated for challenging bearing applications, including the abattoir industry. Abattoirs involve several processes where raw food ingredients are transformed, so any wear parts involved in these processes are required to be hard-wearing, hygienic and resistant to food and cleaning chemicals. Vesconite trolley and caster wheels are your wheels of choice for these challenging applications.